Did you know that microwaving a McChicken can create a mini science experiment right in your kitchen? That's not a joke. Ever notice how fast food seems to change when you reheat it? This is truly mind-blowing. So, when you take a McChicken and pop it into the microwave, you're not just warming up leftovers. You're triggering a unique reaction between the ingredients and the rapid heat. The bun, which is soft and fluffy straight from the restaurant, somehow turns into a chewy, almost rubbery texture after just a minute or two in the microwave. It's because the rapid heating changes the starch molecules in the bread. They crystallize, making your bun less appealing. And it's not just the bun that changes. The lettuce, once crisp and fresh, becomes a wilted shadow of its former self. Microwaves are notorious for doing this to leafy greens. They release moisture too quickly, turning them into a soggy mess. And then, there's the chicken patty. This might be the wildest part. The heat from the microwave can cause the oils and fats in the patty to redistribute unevenly, sometimes leaving parts of it super hot and other parts, well, kind of cold. It's like a fast food Russian roulette. But here's the kicker. The microwaves cause the water molecules in the chicken and the bun to heat up rapidly, creating steam. If you cover your McChicken, you'll see this steam trying to escape, leading to a soggy sandwich. If you leave it uncovered, the steam escapes, but your McChicken becomes dry and tough. So, what's the best way to revive your McChicken if not the microwave? If you really want to bring it back to life, try the oven or a toaster oven. It takes a bit longer, but your bun stays soft. The lettuce remains crisp, and the chicken heats more evenly. Crazy, right? Who knew reheating fast food could be so complex? Next time you're about to give your McChicken a zap, you'll know exactly what's happening. Hit subscribe. We post what they don't want you to know.